Welcome to Top 6 Zone. So, you are planning to get the best bar carts, but you may see there are many options available in the market. Today's video I am here to give you an intensive idea about bar carts. After a huge research, I found these products are really useful to people like you. If you want to know the price and other description about the products, please be sure to check the description box. So without any further delays, let's start the video. Number 1. Haotian FKW56 Serving Trolley. The standout feature of the Haotian bar cart is the lift-off tray top, which increases the unit's versatility for serving food or drinks. Plenty of dedicated space for wine bottles and glasses, but you can omit these hanging racks if you want to use your serving cart for other purposes. The classic metal fence around the bottom shelf keeps your bar cart contents securely in place in transit. What you get with this bar cart: 3 shelves in a gray stone effect or wood effect. Black metal frame. Bottom shelf has a secure metal rail for the safe storage of bottles. Removable top shelf acts as a butler's tray with 2 sturdy handles. Integral metal wine rack for 4 bottles. Glass hanging rack for 6 glasses. Number 2. Nathan James Carter Rolling Bar and Serving Cart. The tempered glass top is the ideal mobile bar surface, making it easy to keep clean and resistant to spills. The raised handle makes it easy to relocate, and the metal guard rail keeps everything on the bar cart in transit. What you get with this bar cart: sturdy metal frame with a tempered glass top and a wood effect bottom shelf. Choice of color options. Raised handle and 4 wheels let you push your bar trolley to your desired location. The bottom shelf can hold up to 10 bottles. Number 3. Bar cart with 2 mirrored shelves. A cute bar cart in a classic antique gold finish is a versatile unit, from serving cocktails to acting as a mobile makeup cart at home or in a salon. The hoops for bottles mean you can be confident that your bottles stay in place during movement. The wheels lock in place, giving you a stable and attractive unit in any room of your home. The mirrored glass shelves complement the style and are super easy to keep clean and polished. What you get with this bar cart: iron frame with 2 round mirrored glass shelves, metallic gold finish. Guard rail on each shelf keeps contents in place. Hoops for secure vertical storage of 3 wine bottles. Hanging hooks for stemware or cups. Number 4. Christopher Knight Home Gerard Industrial Wooden Bar Cart. A 2-shelf bar cart with secure storage space for wine bottles fits into most homes, with a classic black iron frame and dark walnut effect shelves. The shelves have tray ends on all 4 sides, helping keep items on the trolley. When you move it to a new location, all 4 wheels lock in place so you can be confident that your bar cart will stay where you put it. What you get with this bar cart: black metal frame with 2 walnut effect tray shelves. 2 metal frames for secure wine bottle storage. 4 multi-directional wheels, each of which locks for stability. Number 5. Nathan James Sally Rolling Bar Cart. Nathan James is a stylish furniture designer and manufacturer for the modern generation, with an eye for classical design. The black metal and tempered glass shelves fit into any room and are exceptionally easy to keep hygienically clean, which is always a plus in food serving. The metal guard rails keep the bar cart contents in place when you move locations, and you will find plenty of uses for this attractive tolling bar. What you get with this bar cart: stylish black metal and glass shelves. 2 tempered glass shelves. Metal barrier rail encloses each shelf. High sloping handle on one side for easy movement. 4 locking wheels. Number 6. First Time & Company Silver and Gray Joliet Round Bar Cart. Reminiscent of the Art Deco period, this round 2-shelf metal bar trolley is a design classic. The round shelves in the metal frame give a sturdy and stable place for your drinks and snacks. You get plenty of color and material options, from silver and weathered wood to black with mirror finish shelves. 4 wheels let you glide this bar cart to accompany you to the sun lounger by the pool or your favorite armchair for afternoon cocktails. So now you are here, and I wish you have made your final decision to select the best bar carts that is suitable for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more product updates that I make on daily basis.